So the first thing you need to do for this one is get your oven on. You need a nice hot preheated oven, about 200. What we've got here is got some mackerel. We're going to chuck it in there, throw a few bits in the oven, done. Nothing to it. It's absolutely delightful. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. So what I've got here is I've got some mackerel. The heads have been cut off. I mean, you can keep them on or off, it's up to you, and they've been cleaned inside. And what you can see is I've just scored them down just to open them up a little bit. I've got 6 pieces there. 1 tomato, 1 onion. I'm using here some zucchini or courgettes, whatever you call them. You could be putting in carrots, celery, or some other vegetables if you like, some bell peppers. Dried thyme, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon juice. And that's it. It's fantastic. So a little drizzle there of olive oil. Grab your fish, place them in. Now you're going to need to get your oven on, preheated oven. So get your oven on at like 220, so gas mark 6, that sort of thing. Fish in. Then what we do is we grab the onion. We're going to put on that dried thyme, and again, if you want, change that for something else. I'm going to grab that tomato and just pop that around. Bit of zucchini, and like I say, if you want something else, mushrooms, or some other sort of vegetable that you fancy. Tablespoon of chopped garlic. Then let's get a little bit more of the olive oil on there. Try and use a nice quality extra virgin olive oil if you can. Salt to taste. Black pepper. And here I've got some lemon juice. Lemon or lime works. Little splash here and there. And that's it, you're done. Well done, you finished. Pop that in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. It's going to be wonderful. "20 minutes, absolutely beautiful. Little bit of chopped parsley or cilantro or something like that, some fresh herb. That's beautiful, that is. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love." Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.